Hello, and welcome to our lesson on purchasing and procurement. This segment will cover a new competitive environment. In today's competitive business landscape, both domestic and international organizations face growing pressure from world-class competitors. To remain competitive, companies must enhance their internal processes. Whether industrial or consumer-focused, customers now prioritize price reductions over discussions of price increases. The Internet has fundamentally shifted the power dynamic between buyers and sellers, influencing customer expectations for higher quality, faster delivery, and customized products at a lower overall cost. The widespread use of social media, mainly through platforms like Twitter and blogs, accelerates the spread of information about products and services. Companies failing to meet consumer expectations risk negative publicity as dissatisfied customers quickly share their experiences. In the workplace, the widespread use of mobile devices enables constant connectivity to job activities, allowing individuals to stay engaged 24/7. This increased mobility is facilitated by the significant drop in the cost of storing and retrieving data, driven in part by the adoption of cloud-based storage systems. As a result, the boundaries between work, leisure, purchasing, and promotion are becoming increasingly blurred and personalized. These mobility trends significantly impact when and where purchasing-related work is performed. Historically, information moved slower, but customer loyalty was still valued. In the 1960s and 1970s, companies crafted detailed strategies for loyalty, realizing the need for a strong engineering and manufacturing function. Design engineers translated customer needs into specifications, emphasizing high-quality, cost-effective production. The 1980s saw a demand for flexibility to meet evolving customer needs, prompting organizations to adapt or create new products and services. In the 1990s, managers recognized the impact of supplier inputs on meeting customer needs, prompting a focus on the supply base and purchasing responsibilities. Simply producing a quality product wasn't enough. Delivering the right products at the right time, cost, and place became a new challenge. The 21st century introduced time-reducing technologies and logistics networks to address these challenges. Low-cost alternatives led to significant outsourcing and offshoring shifts. China's emergence as a major competitor created challenges for U.S. firms in manufacturing and services. Effective supply management strategies are crucial, with the services sector accounting for over 70% of GDP. Economic trends, rising Chinese wages, complex supply chains, and quality issues prompted firms to reconsider Chinese sourcing. Chinese labor rates increased 14% in 2012, up 71% since 2008. Strategies now involve assessing the economics of reshoring, bringing sourcing back to the U.S., and nearshoring, evaluating suppliers closer to the U.S., such as in Mexico and Central South America. The 21st century transformations have underscored the critical need for active supply base management in organizations. This encompasses all suppliers providing materials and services, sometimes extending to downstream entities handling product delivery and aftermarket service. Recognizing the potential for competitive advantage in overseeing both upstream, suppliers, and downstream, customers' activities has spurred a focus on supply chain management. Several factors drive this emphasis. Firstly, the widespread availability of low-cost information resources facilitates seamless linkages across the supply chain, reducing time delays. Secondly, intense competition in domestic and international markets necessitates organizational speed, agility, and flexibility. Thirdly, rising customer expectations demand heightened responsiveness. Lastly, effective risk identification and mitigation within an organization's supply chain minimize disruptions, safeguarding against lost sales impact. In the current landscape, competition extends beyond individual firms to their supply chains. Those adept at configuring optimal supply chains emerge as market winners, gaining a competitive edge. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss definition of purchasing. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.